In this video, we're going to have a look at how to calculate the surface area of pyramids. A prism has two identical base sides that are connected. Unlike a prism, a pyramid has only one base side. On the sides of this base shape, triangles are added and they all meet in one point called the apex. We are going to have a look at only right pyramids, and these are pyramids where the apex is perpendicularly above the center of the base. When you unfold this pyramid into its net, you will see that it consists of a square and 4 triangles. The number of triangles will be determined by the shape of the base. So when calculating the surface area of a pyramid, we're going to start by calculating the area of the base, which in this case is a square, and then adding the area of each triangle. In this case, we will have a square and then add 4 triangle areas. If you have a triangular pyramid, the base will be a triangle, and then you'll have to add the area of 3 more triangles. In a pyramid, it is important to be able to identify all the different heights. Firstly, we have the height of the pyramid. That is measured from the center of our base perpendicularly up to the apex. This is the height of the pyramid. Then we have the perpendicular height of each of the triangular inclined faces or sides. This is measured from our base side perpendicularly up on each of those inclined planes, and this is called the slant height of the pyramid. And lastly, if it is a triangular pyramid, the base also has a perpendicular height which is used to calculate the area of this base. Example 1. Calculate the total surface area of a square pyramid with a height of 4 centimeters. To calculate the total surface area of this pyramid, I'm going to start by calculating the area of the base, which is a square. For this, I will calculate the side squared. Then we add the area of 4 different triangles. Each of these triangles have the formula a half multiplied by the base of the triangle and then that triangle's perpendicular height, which in this case we call the slant height. So substituting in our values, the sides of the square are all 6 centimeters, and moving to the triangles, the base of each triangle is also 6, but moving to our slant height, we do not have the length of this yet. To calculate this value, you need to be able to see that along with the height of our pyramid, this slant height forms a right-angled triangle. In this triangle, we already know that the one side is 4 centimeters, and because we only work with right pyramids, we know that this 90-degree angle is formed in the middle of the square. That means that the base side of this triangle will be 3 centimeters. According to the theorem of Pythagoras, the slant height will then be 5 centimeters. This pyramid's total surface area will then be 96 centimeters squared. Example 2. Calculate the total surface area of a triangular pyramid of which the base is an equilateral triangle with an area of 16 centimeters squared. Here we are given the information that the base of this pyramid is a triangle of which all the sides are equal in length and 6 centimeters. We are also told that this base has an area of 16 centimeters squared. So when it comes to determining the total surface area of this pyramid, we already have the area of the base. Now we just need to add the area of the 3 inclined triangles. And for these triangles, the base will once again be a half multiplied by the base of the triangle multiplied by the perpendicular height, which will be the slant height of the pyramid. So to the 16, we are going to add the 3 triangles, which will be a half multiplied by the base of the triangle, which is 6 centimeters, multiplied by the height of each triangle, and that is given as 10. So this triangular pyramid has an area of 106 centimeters squared.